Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best ski jackets on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Wantdo Mountain Waterproof Ski Jacket. How to go for ski jackets, men? This is our choice for the best value money. Mountain jacket is again the wind and water resistant and can want to do up to 10,000 mm high pressure and winds ever wilder handle I faced. This is achieved by adjustable cuffs and rock pressurized powder, which will take a look at the wind and turn at the door away, so skulk away, knowing that this is not like the case wanted. Whether to use during the cold days, or if you think about what is the number 1 ski jacket, I was pleasantly surprised. The liner is a comfortable, fuzzy substance that is sure to keep warm, and the will of a cotton heat in every part ensures a sufficient body. This is jacket that does not come with all the bells and whistles of expensive jackets, but at this price who has a sufficient quality and aesthetic wonder, it will serve you well and still has enough features to create excellent all you need for a ski jacket, while not breaking the bank. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Wantdo Women's Mountain Waterproof Ski Jacket. Waterproof jacket, Frauenberg product category, premium, wants to do one. All this is expandable thanks to features such as adjustable cuff gloves and a warm diffused inner coating. Ultimately, all this suggests that the mountain waterproof ski jacket women want a piece of high-quality dress. For every woman who loves to shred the slopes at their leisure, this is a necessity. It happens to be a warm, water-repellent fabric. The coated fabric itself is provided with a coating and diffused 240G of a polyester fiber, which ensures that the heat is optimally retained. Besides all this, it is as waterproof as they come. That front, not much different than the option for men. All users of this jacket can be sure that they stay as dry and put on it as comfortably as possible. Then there is the fact that it is equipped with multiple pockets that are unquestionably useful on a practical level. Number 3. Our third best pick is Diamond Candy Women Hooded Windproof Waterproof Rain Jacket. However, with a Hood Candy Diamond Women Windproof Waterproof Rain Jacket, it is one of the best ways. This design is a clear proof that you do not have to sacrifice style for comfort. It combines the two concepts to create and some other miracle, the reign of candy diamond jackets. Every aspect of this jacket is a great emphasis on the product detail. The sewing process to finish, there is a level cleaning is adopted. Besides, looking great works optimally in rainy weather. That it is resistant even from water-breathable material cannot go unnoticed. In fact, it is completely sealed at the seams. It is a winner when it comes to a wide range of outdoor activities. This is more than a kind of everyday jacket, the only limit is your talents. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CAMEL Crown Men's Mountain Snow Waterproof Ski Jacket. It's just something different about the brand, feels, and the range of movement waterproof ski jacket Mountain Snow Corona CAMEL Men it caters to. It is something you simply must experience. The ergonomics in this jacket is nothing if not legendary. His draping technique is fully with the natural movement of the body in line. Therefore there is rigor involved in the activities carried out, the comfort is still outside the charts. Altogether, it just feels good when you are ultimately used, because that is what has been developed. In addition to being very convenient when used, this jacket is resistant to water, breathable and windproof. Windproof on the front side, which is equipped with an adjustable and removable hood, has a high-density textile. As so has the ability to protect against the cold wind. This only scratches the surface when it has to do with the invention this jacket offers. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Burton Covert Ski Jacket. If you are looking to stay warm wherever you go, then this ski jacket is the jacket for you. It was designed with thermal insulated print taffeta fabric to ensure it never feels cold. This increases comfort and keeps it in top condition throughout the ups and downs of your ski trip. It not only keeps warm, but water repellent, all keeps moisture out, except maybe tears of joy as it passes through a beautiful mountain landscape. Printmaking sleeves keep the elements while also providing additional support in high-stress areas, so it's a jacket that comes for last. It is built in a variety of designs, so it is not something worldwide and has votes, easily accessible media and bags of glasses and easy storage when you need to take a break. Burton are famous for their snowboards, and they have this jacket designed with a similar attention to detail. Whether you are a skier or snowboarder, you will agree to buy a high-quality jacket. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.